Hello, today we will guide you through how to do options on Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll enable options trading using the built-in setup wizard so you can access option chains and strategies on the platform. This is a platform navigation guide, not financial advice, and it's meant to help you find the right screens with confidence. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app or web platform and logging in. Give it a moment to load your workspace and make sure you have a reliable internet connection. If the platform recently updated, let it finish syncing to avoid missing menu items. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Setup menu. Depending on your layout, you might see the word Setup or a small gear icon. If your window is minimized or the font size is large, widen the window so the menu becomes visible. When you've found it, select Setup to open its drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose Open Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard is a guided tool that helps you turn features on and off and request permissions tied to certain products. Opening it ensures you're using the official route the platform expects, which reduces the chance of missing a required form or disclosure. Inside the wizard, select the option category. This choice tells the platform you want to enable options trading functionality, which includes access to option chains, strategy templates, and related risk and pricing tools. If you see brief descriptions next to the option choice, read them so you understand what features are being activated. Click Next to proceed. At this stage, the wizard may present account-related questions and disclosures. It's common to see prompts about your trading experience, investment objectives, financial profile, and risk tolerance. Review each item carefully and answer accurately. You may also see regulatory disclosures and risk statements. Take the time to read them. Some accounts might require additional acknowledgments or approvals before options permissions are granted, and availability can vary by account type and region. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The wizard will guide you step by step until everything is complete, and it will let you know if any information is missing. If the platform requests verification or additional documentation, provide it as instructed within the wizard. When you reach the confirmation screen, you're finished. At that point, options features should be available to you within Thinkorswim, and you'll be able to access the tools designed for analyzing and placing options trades. That's it. By opening Thinkorswim, using the Setup menu, launching the Setup wizard, choosing Option, clicking Next, and following the on-screen prompts, you've enabled options trading in a clear, streamlined way.